Good day, dear viewers, and welcome back to our channel. November is in full swing, and Christmas is getting closer. That means it's time to start thinking about the best advent calendars for your loved ones. Today, we're presenting you with 5 unique suggestions that are sure to delight. Unique Salami Advent Calendar. Do you have a family member who's in love with meat? This Salami Advent Calendar is perfect. It includes 24 doors filled with high-quality mini salami stars and mini salami hearts, a true delight for food connoisseurs who appreciate more than just chocolate. Every day until Christmas, you can look forward to a delicious salami snack in a fantastic design. It's an original gift or a temptation for yourself. This advent calendar offers butcher quality, is entirely allergen-free, and comes directly from Bavaria. You'll love the delicious smoky flavor and firm texture without skin encasing. This all for around $5. 2. Gentle Tea Advent Calendar. Our next suggestion is the handmade tea advent calendar. It contains 24 teas from around the world, a total of 225 grams of tea, for a relaxed lead up to Christmas. From robust tea to white tea, green tea, and black tea, there's something for every tea lover. This tea advent calendar promises the highest quality and is a real treat for the senses. This calendar costs around $50. 3. DIY Advent Calendar Bags. If you want to give something personal and creative, these advent calendar paper bags are perfect. In this set, you'll receive 24 craft paper bags, 17 by 26 centimeters, and a spare bag in case anything goes wrong. The bags are environmentally friendly and can be customized individually. With the included advent number stickers, surprising your loved ones is a breeze. 3. For around $10 you get the packaging for your individual calendar. 4. Spice Advent Calendar. For culinary adventurers, we recommend our Spice Advent Calendar. In 24 doors, you'll find high-quality spices that are fresh and aromatic. They'll give your dishes an unparalleled taste and provide wonderful surprises for 24 days. Pamper your loved ones during this special season with this great advent calendar. This calendar costs $50. 5. Handmade Gummy Bear Advent Calendar. For those who love fruit gummy bears, we have the handmade Gummy Bear Advent Calendar. 500 grams of delicious Christmas mice are waiting to be enjoyed during the holiday season. Extra fruity, extra delicious, and extra joy in the Christmas season. $35 for fruity gummy bears. There you have it, 5 creative advent calendar ideas that are sure to bring joy. Whether you want to give a gift or treat yourself, these advent calendars offer something for everyone. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which of these advent calendars is your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more festive inspiration.